In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a functioning sign-up page in Framer. Our very first step is to incorporate a form component into your Framer project. To do this, we simply navigate to the Insert menu within Framer. Select the Forms category and drag the Form Builder component onto your designated canvas space. We're now faced with the default form. It's time to make our form unique by customizing our input fields to suit our requirements. Locate any fields that will not be relevant to our sign-up process, and go ahead and delete them. Now, add in your much-needed input slots such as email, password, name, and anything else your particular sign-up could benefit from. It's time to get more in-depth with our fields. Select the fields you've just added and gain access to the Inspector panel. Observable in this panel are the attributes that make an input field a field. Go ahead and set each field's properties, such as choosing the input type of email or password, writing in placeholder text for guidance, and placing validation rules for a cleaner, more secure input collection. Your canvas should now have a form with input fields. To make it an aesthetic and responsive element, adjust the form's layout and style. Line up your form elements neatly, give your form the aesthetics that match your brand, and ensure your form will suit different screen sizes for a responsive design. Now, we're diving into the workings of the submission process. To get started, select the form component you've been working so diligently on. In the Inspector panel, there should be a Submit or Form Settings section. We will input our desired destination for our soon-to-be collected form data here. Options might include forwarding the data to a designated email address or integrating with an external service, such as CRMs, databases, or authentication platforms, like FramerAuth and Outseta, for a more profuse data handling experience. Now, the anticipation of a successful submission is exciting, but we want that excitement shared by our users too. We can design something to display to the users upon a successful submission. And of course, to also handle any errors that may occur, design a message for that as well. This brings us to our final stage, the publication and testing of our new sign-up page. Hit the Publish button located in the top right of Framer to finally make your masterpiece live. Now navigate to the site, arrive at your sign-up page, and run a test sign-up to ensure the form functions properly and the data is directed to your chosen destination. Creating an engaging and functioning sign-up page is a vital part of any online platform. And by following these steps, you've successfully achieved that goal. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to guiding you through your next creative project.